Welcome everybody. Today we want to introduce Getflowtools. So when you come Getflowtools.com, you will see the booking and appointment Webflow app. So click booking and appointment app. It opens the booking and appointment Webflow app landing page. From this landing page, you can see the details, all the feature of the JBooking booking and appointment app. For using this, you must log in the system. So click on the login button. You will come the login page, but I already have an account, that's why I skip the sign up. I'm going to sign in using my email and password. Click on sign in button. After sign in, you will get the dashboard, and from this dashboard you have to connect with your Webflow account where your all project have. So I'm going to click on Webflow connect button. You see, this is my Webflow account. I already have login, so that's why I get this page. Here I can see all my project under my Flowjai Webflow account. So from here I have to select my preferable website that I want to connect it with the JBooking booking and appointment app dashboard. So let's try to find out. I can search also from here. So I want to add this test site with my booking and appointment app dashboard. So check it. If I want to add multiple, then I can select multiple, but right now I want to just do one website. So click on this and click on the authorize app button. So now my expected site come in my Getflowtools dashboard. This is the website that I connected. Let's open it in the browser. So the site is open. You see here is nothing, but we will add the booking from this free space. So let's back to the dashboard. Now here we have to add the booking app first. So for this, click add app button. I have to add this application first. You can see booking and appointment Webflow app, and here have some information about it. So add this application. Now booking and appointment app connected. Now I have to configure it. Click the configure button. Now you can see your site inside screen. You will get all the information of your website, like total booking, upcoming booking, and all the statistics and data in here. At the very first, for booking an appointment form, we have to complete these settings first. There have 5 steps in total, so we have to complete it one by one. The first step is service settings. Click service settings. Then you have to add your service. Click on the add service button. Write your service name, like my site is gym related, so like bodybuilding. Make the status enable and save now. Your one service is already added. I can edit from here if I want. I can delete it from here if I want, or if I want to add more service like weightlifting, and then enable, then save now. Okay, I can add unlimited service as per my package and plan. So you can add many of service in here. So when my service settings is done, then the second steps is open. It's the provider settings. click add provider button, write the provider name, like provider name is, then I have to add email for the provider, and then I have to make enable, then save now. Okay, one of my provider is already added. This provider will get the provider panel login details in his email. By the provider panel, he can manage his stuff. This is the mail, and if I open this mail, I can see this provider will get his email and temporary password, and he can log in from here. I can edit, delete the provider from here. Also, I can add many more service provider that I need from here. After adding service provider, we have to configure the service provider settings. So for this, click on the configure slot. Now I can see the slot settings and other fields for the specific service provider. From here, I can see the many fields like slot duration, interval after every slot, pricing, service type, service, and many things. So I select the slot duration, like I select 30 minutes. Then I set the interval, every slot 10 minutes. Then I set the pricing 10 USD, and available status active, service type for both. Then I already added 2 service, so I have to select the service for this service provider that he will provide it. So I am going to select both 2 service. Then I have set my available time in a weekly basis. If I am not available for any days, then I have to set this is as an weekend, like Monday I'm not available, so just click on the weekend today, that's it. Like Friday I'm not available, so just click on weekend today. The rest day, like Tuesday I'm available this slot, so just click on, so I'm just randomly select, nothing else. Okay, that's okay, so just save now. Then I have to go to the third step. The step is meeting platform settings. In our system have 3 options for the meeting. You can do the online or offline, any types of meeting by using our application. For the offline meeting, you must have to configure the in-person meeting type. If I click on the configure, then I have to add some information like street location, city, state, country, status. I need this information because this is in-person type, so my customer will have to come to my location for this meeting. Like I have to set street location, so I'm set something, so and then enable it, then update now. So you can see my in-person meeting time is active. So if you want to add for online meeting, then you have to set Google Meet or Zoom. So for this you have to also configure these things with the Google Meet ID, Google Meet client secret, calendar ID, time zone, and everything. This information you have to put in here. Okay, right now I close it. So one of our meeting type is active, so I'm going to the next steps is payment method. So click on payment method. We have multiple and all renowned payment gateway integration. For settings, any payment, many more deactivate payment gateway in here also. So if you want any of it, so just you have to put all the required information in here, then your payment gateway is activated and you can receive payment from here. So all the 4 steps is done. So then the last step is app setup. In the app setting option, I will get one script and also I will get one div ID. So this script and ID I have to put in my selected website. For this I have to open the Webflow website in designer mode. So let's open Webflow, and here I have to find my site. This is the test site and this is the thing. Then click on open designer. So I open the website and here I want to set my booking and appointment form. So I have to select it, then press Ctrl plus E and need one div block. And again I have to press Ctrl plus E. Inside the div block now I need one embed code. Okay, the HTML embed code editor is open. So go to the dashboard and copy the script that the dashboard will provide it to you. So copy to the clipboard and paste it here. Then save and close. Okay, that's done. And the next steps is you have to add this ID in your div block that you added. So click this and go to the div block, go to the settings and paste the ID in here. All is done, then just publish it. Now my site is published, so check website now. Click on here. Oh, it's magic. The booking and appointment form is ready without write any single line of code. And the design of the booking form is 100% editable and customizable. You can do any design that your business brand demand. If you want to change any text color or button color, then you have to go to the Getflowtools dashboard, and there have lots of options that appear. You can see here, and one by one we will try to understand the functionality of this. So at first you have to go to the settings, and inside the settings you have to go to the form settings. This is the form settings. You can see here we have different types of form. So first of all is a step form, second is a step form without step indicators, third is a step form without a step number, fourth is basic form. So if I check every form, then I can see the difference. Like this is the step form. If I click the step form without step indicators and update the website and reload it here, then I can see the difference. And the third one, a step form without a step number. So third one, this is the difference of the third one. And if I select the basic form and update it, make the difference. This is the basic form. Okay, so I am going to choose the first one. Okay, then we have color setup instruction or color setup option. Like if I want to change the text color to the black to the white, then I just click on here and update change and see the result. Already my black text color is convert to the white. So if I want to button color to the, then change it. Yeah, so in this way, if I want to change this color also, then just placeholder color, make the change. Yeah, even there have option to write custom CSS code for any design advancement. All the instructions are there for using the custom code in the booking form. And then if I go to the currency settings, from here we can add currency. That our platform default currency is USD, but if we want to add any other currency, just click on the add currency and then provide the all information here, and then just click on the current currency button. Then this currency will be your platform default currency. Then another option is working shift. By this option we can add any shift and manage any shift duration. So we can add any shift and shift timing from here. And if we go to the general settings, here we can see one option is meeting email reminder time. Like if we set one meeting, and if we set here 30 minutes and update it, then 30 minutes before, the service provider and the customer both will get one reminder in their mail. And next option is time zone. So we can run our platform in our specific time zone that we need. So we can set our platform time zone from here. And here have option, one more option is for logo and name for invoice. For every payment our customer will get one invoice. So if I add the specific site name for invoice and a specific logo, then we can see set from here, and it will be added for marketing purpose. Okay, now we can make one appointment. So for this I have to put all my information that the booking form asking. So I have to put my name first, then my mail address, phone number and address, save and next. Then I have to set my preferable service provider, if I have any note for the service provider. Then the next step, I have to select the date, then the time slot. If I want to see my time zone, so I can select the time zone here, and it will be automatically affected in this as my own time zone. So here I can see the slot price as well. So I'm select 10 AM, then the meeting type in person, then save and next. So payment type is cash, total price 10, currency 10 USD. Then I'm going to submit. Then the last steps is confirmation. My booking is created, and the booking form is calling to add to my calendar. So there have lots of options. I will add this my Google Calendar. So click on Google, and I can add this in my Google Calendar. You can see here all the information is here, and save now. So Wednesday, 14 February. So this is the all information of my booking. Okay, I'm going to close it and it's refresh. If now I open my mail, then I can see the mail about the booking confirmation with all details, and also get the mail with invoice. So this is my mail. I have got two mail. First one is booking confirmation and second one is invoice. So click on booking confirmation. You can see all the information about my booking, and this is the booking confirmation mail. And second one is booking invoice with my invoice. I can download the invoice from here, and this is the invoice that the Getflowtools website provided to me. Now go back to the Getflowtools platform and go to the calendar option. Now I can see the provider and his booking in the calendar. This is the provider and his booking in the calendar. And as an admin, I have all option to edit and delete the meeting details, and also have option to approve, pending, cancel and return also. Here I can do anything. And if I go to the appointment button, then I can see all the appointment information and their status. If I click on the view details, then I can see the all appointment details, and I can change the any appointment status from here. Like if I click on approve, then a status is changed. Even as an admin, I can create manual appointment from the add appointment option. By the providing all information here, I can create an appointment. Then the customer menu, I can see all my customers, the customer details and their own transaction history. Like click on the action, then I can see the customer information and their booking history. From the provider list, we can see our all service provider information, and if I click the view option, I can see his all status like totals, earning and service, and also his transaction history. Then if I go to the transaction history menu, then I can see all the transaction and its status. Then if I go to the email template option, I can see all the email template and all are editable. So here I can see the booking customer, all the booking customer email template. So I can see here how it looks, and I can see the edit option of this email, and you can send test mail from here. So these all are our booking and appointment Webflow app. So thank you.